All right, so we're not necessarily doing like RV tours or whatever here, but we're looking at the RVs at the RV show in Quartzsite 2022, and this one is called the Executive. It's got to be, what, maybe 80s? I don't know. It's old, but check this out. It's insane. Back in the day, this would have been like first class, baby.
There is a TV right here.
Look at Kimberly, queen of the road.
There is a TV right here.
Look at, there is too. Look at the rest of this thing though. Look at that. Wow. Look at all of that wood. Look at this tile. That kind of rose colored with the leaves in there. That was first class. What the heck is this here? Yeah, it's an ice maker. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
It's got an ice maker for making ice for your drinks because there's also a freezer. And look at this. Look at the microwave.
What's this?
Man, this was first class, baby.
Oh.
Look at that. Comes Mike and Nisha from Worth Every Mile.
We gotta see how they built them back in the day.
This is incredible. Look at this. Look at all the mirrors. Got mirrors for days. Look at all this woodwork. Look at that. We can see like zigzags in here.
Zigzags in here.
And then look at it. Look at this. Man, back in the day, this would have been like big time, baby. Big time. Look at that. Display, hours, minutes, alarm. Fancy.
Alarm clock.
Obviously, the TV's been updated. You got the classic computer speakers there. Look at that.
Everything is wood.
So cool. Let's check out the bathroom.
Oh.
Wow. Look at that wallpaper. That's awesome.
When you ever open this, oh, look, a golden thing.
Golden toilet paper holder. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Is that water pressure? Is that a bidet? No, it's just water pressure for the toilet. Adjustable water pressure.
Oh my gosh.
Golden.
There's a lot of gold in here. Gold towel racks. Look at the tile.
Look at the gold toilet paper holder.
Absolutely. Cigar. This is like a cigar lounge right here. We should just buy this and bring it with us. This could be our cigar lounge right here.
Yeah. But there's blenders up here. Like step up and
Door handle.
Yeah. No, and there's an ice maker down here for your mixed drinks.
Let's put your blender.
What? But this was like party time. What's under there? Is that like... That was ahead of its time right there. Look, it goes to the power cord or to the generator, so you got to switch that over.
Massive microwave.
It really is. Oh, it looks like maybe a convection almost.
Yeah, it is. Convection royal.
Wow.
Yeah, just a minute.
Look at this.
Let me slide by you guys.
This is, yeah, I'm coming with you.
This is like a classic.
Oh, I didn't even see, look at the gold faucet on the sink. Mirrors everywhere. There's mirrors everywhere. Oh, look at this. AC vents above the bed, and you got speakers on each side. Adjustable gold lamps.
Yep. This is like a
There's
gold
mirrors
miracle.
and gold and wood everywhere. This one's called the Executive. I'm not even sure. Do you know what kind it is?
Yeah, look at the back.
Do we know what year it is yet? This like screams 70s.
70s.
Yeah, it screams 70s.
Wow, it even got a
It's a leather strap.
It is a leather strap. Look at that. That's old school. And it's all like oak.
Yeah.
Look, gold coat hooks too. You got your in-ceiling AC. Look at these lights too.
How much is this
Look at
old
that.
school?
I want it. I do. Look at, and you got the rose-colored carpet.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's 70s.
Yeah, it's got to be 70s, right? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. But the rose-colored, I can. If I don't have my sunglasses on, I can just stand up in there and my hair rubs the ceiling. Which, the ceiling is carpeted. It's carpet on the ceiling.
Look at all these.
This is so cool. Look, all these lights in here are ridiculous. And then the in-ceiling AC, so there's 2 AC units. Oh, and look at this up here. Look at that. It's like a
backup camera.
Yeah, right?
But look close.
And a golden fan? That is awesome. Look at that. What is that?
Everywhere.
It is a backup camera, dude. Look at the dots on there.
Look, is that silver?
13 feet, 10 feet, 5 feet. That's crazy. More AC vents up front. Another one of these like digital clocks with all the buttons.
Yeah, but this
The speakers.
silver.
Yeah, that one's silver. That's disappointing. That should be gold too.
Yeah.
And then you can't beat the shower curtain. Shower curtain divider. Right here. Look at that. There you go. Ah, that is so awesome. I want it. I want to buy this. And the upholstery on these couches is too. Look at that. That's awesome. And it comes with the throw pillows. Those got to be original. Looks like the seats have probably been upgraded. These look newer. Maybe not. Look at.
Oh, this is lovely.
I don't know what year this is or what or how much it is, but that's crazy. We'll show you the outside.
It's an 87.
An 87 that was built to look like these.
It's cooler than the golden.
So here it is. Here's what it looks like on the front. Look at that. Look at the spotlight on top. That's awesome. And the big air horn. Oh my gosh. There's dual air horns. There's one up there and there's one up here. And then there's the rotating spotlight and the CB antenna. Look at that. She's a beauty. Yeah. Oh, look at the artwork on the side too. Got the cactuses and the mountains.
Like, this is like better than the golden toilet you found.
It is better than the golden toilet. You're right, Sam. The executive. For sure. Look at those taillights. Those taillights are sweet.
It's called turbo. I guess it goes fast.
Yeah, it's got a turbo. It's got a cat motor in it. You're right. 300 horsepower cat power. That is awesome. I like the exhaust pipe. Very cool. Look at these awnings. They're like metal wrapped when they're rolled up. Look at that. Outside lights. Anyway, like I said, we're not going to do a bunch of like tours, but this one, you all know what the new ones look like. You can go look at them, but I don't know if you'll ever get a chance to walk through one of these. That is incredible. Makes me want to buy it. Kimberly would probably hate me if I did that, but we'll throw this one up quick, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of that awesome rig. Those lights and the 87 executive. All right, guys, so
We'll have a great time.
You'll have a great time.
We have a great day.
You have a great day.
We'll catch up with you later.
Bye.
perfect.